Yeah, first day out since the hair transplant. Hey, just wanted to check in and let you know that, man, everything's been going pretty good. It's swelling a little bit still. We still got that. Yesterday, man, I had like a fat hump right here. And then today I got this little hoodie going on. But we're going to be all right, though. We good. But, man, I just wanted to get out, man, and get some fresh air. And also, I wanted to go to this spot, man, that has the best salmon and salad, man, that I truly love. And my desire for that salad outweighed my self-consciousness of, being self-conscious of my hair transplant. But also, man, I wanted to talk to you about why I got a hair transplant and some of the reasons why I hear other guys get hair transplants. And I think it's very critical, man, because that we talk about this, because not only has mental health become much more important, than what it was years ago. And I think now, just because of the awareness, people are truly starting to understand, like, man, depression is real, right? And a lot of that stuff, especially we as men, and let's just keep it real, man. A lot of the stuff we as men, we suppress, right? Especially when it comes to our physical appearance. That could be, and I coach guys for a living, so I know this stuff, and I coached thousands of men before, is that a lot of time it could be guys dealing with man boobs, and being very self-conscious about wearing t-shirts or even taking a shirt off at the pool or at the beach. They can be self-conscious of their belly, having to go up sizes in their belts or their pants. Now, we're talking about balding, right? And I just want to talk about me, because I don't want to make this sound like I'm just talking about anybody in a certain way, but I am going to insert myself into this equation. So just bear with me. Now, when I decided to go bald, well, I was receding in the front, and it was 2017, man, May. I remember it like it was yesterday. And it was that final time that I was cutting my hair, and I was like, damn, man, my hair is getting, my hair is done, dog. Like, that's it, And, and you always hear everyone, right? And every guy who's going bald can relate to this. They'd be like, man, the rock ball, man, or Jason Statham ball. And, they always kind of just shoot out these celebrity names where I'm like, man, that's them, man. Like, that doesn't concern me. You know what I'm saying? Now, I will say this. It wasn't, now, while I was going bald, let me say this real quick. So I was going bald, and I kind of came to terms with, man, you know what? I need to just go on and cut this thing off, man. Like, it is what it is, and I'll just live with it, And so from there, I cut it off, and man, it was about 3 months into it, man. And if you bald, you know what I'm talking about. Shaving, man, day in, day out. Because even if you get like little stubbles, man, you don't want that junk just slick bald at the top, and then, you know what I'm saying, you got the little fro going around the side, or the stubbles going around the side. So I had to like really shave it all the way bald. And it was about 3 months into doing that, and I was like, bruh, my hair ain't coming back. You know what I'm saying? So I was thinking like it just went on vacation and it was gonna come back. Like, hey man, I'm back. Let's do this thing. Let's do it. But it didn't. It was around that 3 month mark, man. I was like, man, it really started to weigh on me, man. This isn't from a like for me, man. It wasn't like confidence in a way that I needed the confidence to pick up the ladies or anything like that. Which, I mean, to each their own. Like, some men, that's the stuff that they deal with, right? Thank God, I haven't been able to, like, that wasn't one of my problems is, dealing with the ladies, not trying to brag or whatever. But what I'm trying to do is really bring home a point here. Whenever we're dealing with these things, man, that are weighing us down mentally, my man, and having this sort of taking up this mental real estate, it's affecting your day-to-day life, and it has an outward expression, or it affects you in an outward way that is going to sort of trickle down or even cascade over to your professional life, over to your relationships. And so here's my challenge for you, because there's someone watching this video right now that, you know, they've been thinking about getting a hair transplant. It's been on their mind, and you thinking like, man, I'm going bald, or I am bald. Man, every day I'm looking at my head, or every day you putting on a hat before you even leave the house, and you won't even take the hat off if you're out in public. Bruh, I know the feelings that you're going through. But here's my challenge for you, man, is figure out a way to get it done, man. And if that is, because here's the thing, yeah, you gotta, you know, it costs a couple grand. It's about 25 grand to 3,000 if you're going to Turkey, and then a little bit more in the States. But here's my challenge to you: figure out how to get that money, man. Figure out how to save the money, but most importantly, figure out how you can provide more value to your workforce or your workplace. So if you are an independent contractor, man, put in a little bit more hours, man. Make that extra money. Or if you are working a 9 to 5, man, hit your boss up. Say, you know what? How can I get in some overtime, man? And really start putting that money to the side so that you can take care of this, man. Bruh, I'm 3 days in. I didn't even know the effect that it would have on me getting this hair, man. So I just want to sound the alarm to you, my brother, and say, hey, do what you need to do to get this done, because by you being on the sidelines, and trust me, man, I know, bruh, family, life, all this stuff gets in the way. But if you sitting there going out to eat, clubbing, whatever, drinking, like, man, cut that junk off, man, and start putting that money towards something positive, which is going to affect you in a positive way. And then therefore you're going to start performing better in your career, and most definitely in your relationships, because you're going to start feeling better about yourself. But man, I just needed to get that off my chest, man, because we as men, we suppress a lot of this stuff, man. And sometimes we just need that real talk, bruh. You know, to be like, you know what, man, you need to do what you got to, man. Hey, come on, dog, jump in the game. Let's make it happen, and not just sitting on the sideline, just dragging your feet. But do what you got to do, man. You know your situation better than anyone else, and just start putting a plan together, and then just execute the plan, man, non-stop. Put your head down and get to work. And then when you look up, man, bruh, you're going to be hitting me. I can't wait for you to DM me, you know, and be like, hey, man, I'm going to get this hair transplant, man, because I saw your video. Or, you know, bruh, I didn't realize like how much this has helped me in a way that, you know what I'm saying, beyond what you ever thought, man. But again, it's about lifting each other up, man. That's what this video is about. So I put that challenge to you, my man. Do what you need to do to get this done. Fly to Turkey, get it here in the States. Look at the videos, man. That's why I put this stuff out, to give you more tips and information. But you can only gather information for so long, man. Get the information, make a decision, and then execute. I love you, my man. And again, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next video. Later.